Gusto Payroll tutorial, how to use Gusto HR software. So here's the thing, it's easy to create an account here if you want to start with Gusto. All you have to do is go to any web browser, and then you have to simply connect using your Google account or email address, and you can now start creating your profile. Gusto needs your first name, last name, phone number, and some basic information. Now, what is this Gusto? So Gusto is a cloud-based full-service payroll and HR platform designed to help small to medium-sized businesses automate and simplify payroll processing, tax compliance, benefits administration, and more. Okay, so again, all you have to do is to simply connect with your Google if you want to create an account, or you can also add basic information and create an account here in Gusto. Okay, to start, answer your role, and then Gusto will ask some basic questions about your company. So all you have to do is to answer this, and then here you can now start adding information. If you are the only admin, or if you have another team member, you can add them right here. If not, then just proceed. Now, Gusto also add your company's number, okay, and also your mailing address. Okay, so you can add information here. It's very important because this information will be saved in this platform or tool. So all you have to do is to add if it's mailing or if it's physical address. So aside from the mailing address, you also need to input here your physical address in Gusto so that they will know also your exact location. Make sure that all information here are correct, and you can review before you save, but don't worry, you can edit this anytime. Okay, so just confirm the address here, and then after that you can tap on continue. Okay, so once you have added your mailing and physical address, then you can now proceed. Okay, so we're done with a mailing. Of course, we can't proceed if we haven't added the physical address right here. So let me add my physical address first. Okay, recheck everything. And then once done, then tap on the save button. And then there, you can now proceed to the next question. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to input federal tax information. Now, why is it important to add your federal tax information here in Gusto? So adding federal tax information in Gusto is crucial because it ensures your business stays legally compliant, avoid penalties, and automates payroll processes accurately. So if you input here, or if the federal tax information is invalid or not correct, it will also cause problems to your payroll. So Gusto files and pays your federal payroll taxes on your behalf. To do this, all you have to do is to add your employer identification number and filling in schedule and tax form types. Also, you need to add the name of the company here and other information. So make sure that these are all correct and this information are all legit. So you can enable accurate payroll calculations here, enables new hire reporting, streamlines end of year reporting. So in summary, without federal tax info, Gusto can't run your payroll properly or keep you compliant. Setting it up correctly is a one-time step that protects you from legal trouble and ensures your team gets paid correctly. Okay, so once done, then we can now proceed with the next information needed to add here, and this is bank account. For bank account, you can connect your bank account using Plaid and Gusto. So all you have to do is to follow step-by-step guide. Gusto uses Plaid, a secure financial tech service, to connect and verify your bank account instantly so you can run payroll and pay taxes. So all you have to do is to click connect via Plaid, select the option to connect your account instantly with Plaid. This is the faster and recommended method. Okay, and you can now search for your bank. After that, log into your bank and enter your online banking username and password. Plaid securely connects and verifies your account. If you have multiple accounts, then you can select the correct account for your payroll, authorize, and finish. Okay, so once adding or connecting your bank account right here, you can now proceed to the next one. This is what we call the direct deposit speed. It refers to how quickly employee or contractor payments are transferred from your business bank account to their bank accounts after running payroll. So Gusto offers different direct deposit speeds based on your plan, eligibility, and payroll setup. So you can see it right here: 4-day processing, submit payroll 4 business days before pay date; 2-day processing, submit payroll 2 days before payday, must meet Gusto risk criteria; and the next day or same day, which is the faster, available for some businesses on Plus Premium Plus with strong history and linked bank accounts. Okay, so this is what it looks like for this Gusto direct deposit speed. So you can submit payroll on Tuesday, for example, then money withdrawn Wednesday, employees paid Thursday. So that is the method here. Moving on to the pay schedule and Gusto. Pay schedule is how often and when your employees or contractors get paid. Gusto lets you create one or more customized schedules based on your company's needs, including different schedules for salaried, hourly, or contractor workers. So here you can select frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, etc. First pay period, start and end dates, first paycheck date. So all employees, specific departments or roles, you can assign the schedule to. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can just select the date right here. Always remember that you can update a schedule at any time. It affects future payrolls only, but Gusto recalculates deadlines and reminders based on new settings. So that is the good thing about this. And then you can now save and continue. Lastly, so signatory is the person or authorized person who legally represents the company for payroll and tax-related matters. So this person typically signs tax forms, confirms and authorizes payroll processing, is responsible for legal compliance with the IRS and state tax agencies. So you need to upload, if you are the in charge, you need to upload here your documents. And then who can be a signatory in Gusto? The owner of the business, the founder, CEO, or president, or the CFO or accountant. So someone with legal signing authority must have permission to act on behalf of the business. So these are the allowed signatory here in Gusto. So use Gusto because here are the reasons or top reasons. The full service payroll automation, it's less hassle for you. Easy to use, step-by-step setup reminders, time tracking and PTO built in. You can track employee hours and sync them directly with payroll, HR tools, onboarding checklist, and offer letters. Also, employee benefits, okay, compliance support, flexible payment options, secure and reliable reports and integration scales with your business. So everything is here. And this one or Gusto is ideal if you want to save time running payroll, avoid tax mistakes, give employees a modern experience, and keep HR and compliance in one place. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.